Devon 2.2 is insane. The AI software engineer that codes, tests, and fixes itself. Free to try. You're spending hours debugging code that shouldn't even need debugging. You write it, you test it, you find a bug, you fix it, you test it again, round and round, every single day. What if the AI just did all of that for you? Not just the writing, the testing, the reviewing, the fixing, all of it. That's what Devon 2.2 just dropped, and it changes what AI can actually do with code. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it does, how it does it, and how you can start using it for free today. Hey, I'm Paisley, your AI educator here to help you cut through the noise and actually use these tools. No hype, no fluff, just the stuff that matters. So let's get into it. First, what even is Devon? Devon is built by a company called Cognition AI. It's been called the world's first autonomous AI software engineer. Most AI coding tools are assistants. You write the code, they suggest the next line. You hit a bug, they try to help you fix it. You're still doing most of the work. Devon is different. You give it a task. It opens its own code editor, browser, and terminal. It researches what it needs. It writes the code. It tests it, and it submits a pull request, basically a packaged version of the changes for you to review. That's an entirely different category of tool. And now with Devon 2.2, it just got a massive upgrade. Cognition dropped this on February 24th, 2026, and they're calling it one of the biggest updates since launch. Let me break down what's actually new. The first thing is speed. Devon 2.2 now starts up 3 times faster than before. From the moment you give it a task, you're seeing output faster. You can tell right away if it's heading in the right direction. When you're working with AI agents, startup time matters. The faster the feedback loop, the more useful the tool becomes. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Devon 2.2 now has full computer use capabilities. It has access to its own Linux desktop, not just a browser, an actual desktop environment. Before this update, Devon could already use a browser to test web apps, but now it can launch and test desktop applications too, any app that runs on Linux. You approve the test, Devon fires up your app, clicks through it like a real user would, and sends you back an edited screen recording so you can watch exactly what it did. That's end-to-end quality assurance happening autonomously. New users as of February 24th get desktop support on by default. Existing users can turn it on in settings. The second major feature is AutoFix. When Devon finishes writing code, it doesn't just hand it to you. It reviews its own output, looks for issues, and fixes them all before you ever open the pull request. The full loop is plan, code, review, catch issues, fix issues. Then and only then does it hand the work to you. It's not perfect. You still want to review what it delivers, but you're starting from a much better place. The third thing is the redesigned interface. Everything is now connected in one place. Start a session from anywhere in the platform, review Devon's output directly inside Devon, and jump back into sessions from the code review stage. The Slack and linear integrations are smoother too, so if your team lives in Slack, you can kick off Devon sessions without switching context. Here's how the basic flow works according to Cognition's own documentation. You give Devon a task. It plans and writes the code. Then with 2.2, it requests to QA its own work on its desktop. You approve that. It runs your app, clicks through it, and sends back an edited recording of the full testing session. Then it hands you a pull request, clean and packaged, ready for your review. Plan, code, test, fix, handoff. Now I want to be straight with you about what this tool actually is. Devon is not a replacement for developers. It works best when you're clear and specific with your instructions. Complex tasks still need human judgment at the end. Think of it as a capable team member who handles a lot of the execution while you focus on direction and review. Speaking of figuring out how to actually implement tools like this, when I first started exploring AI agents, I was genuinely overwhelmed. So many tools, so many use cases. That's when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. Real workflows, real use cases, practical implementations. It helped me cut through the noise and figure out where to actually focus. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Links in the description. Okay, so how do you get started? New users can get started for free with $10 in credits. That's straight from the launch announcement. Go to Devon.ai, sign up, and start testing without committing to a paid plan. Once you're past the free credits, there's a core plan at $20 per month on a pay-as-you-go model at $2.25 per ACU. ACU stands for Agent Compute Unit, roughly 15 minutes of active Devon work. Then there's a team plan at $500 per month that includes 250 ACUs at $2 each aimed at larger teams, and an enterprise plan with custom pricing for organizations that need more security and control. For most people watching this, the free credits are the right place to start. Who is this actually for? If you're a developer, you can hand off the repetitive stuff, bug fixes, refactors, migrations, framework upgrades, and keep your focus on the complex decisions. If you're a business owner or team lead, you can describe a feature in plain language, Devon builds it, and your developer reviews instead of building from scratch. And if you just want to build something for your own projects, the free credits are a low-risk way to find out. The bottom line, Devon 2.2 added 3 genuinely meaningful things. 3 times faster startup, full desktop computer use for end-to-end testing, and a self-review and AutoFix loop before the work ever reaches you. Those aren't incremental improvements. That's a real shift in how autonomous this tool actually is, and it's now free to try. Go to Devon.ai, use the free credits, give it a real task. That test will tell you more than any review. If you want to go deeper on AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time. No hype. Just practical information from people doing the work. Links in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. See you in the next one.